What happens to your body when you eat moringa every day? Are you looking for a natural way to boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, and nourish your body with essential nutrients? If so, moringa powder might be exactly what you need. This powerful superfood has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is now gaining worldwide popularity. Moringa powder comes from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, which grows in parts of Africa and Asia. These nutrient-rich leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that work together to support overall health. As more people around the world discover its incredible benefits, the demand for organic moringa powder has skyrocketed. In fact, the global market for moringa products is expected to exceed $8 billion by 2027. So, what makes moringa so special? Let me share my personal experience. I started taking organic moringa powder daily 6 months ago, and the results have been amazing. I feel more energized and focused, and my skin has never looked better. Moringa has now become a key part of my daily wellness routine. Are you ready to experience the benefits of moringa for yourself? In this video, we'll explore the science-backed advantages of moringa powder, how to find the best organic supplements, and simple, delicious ways to add it to your daily routine.
Let's get started.
The incredible benefits of moringa powder. Packed with nutrients. Moringa powder stands out from other superfoods because it's loaded with essential nutrients. It contains 2x more protein than yogurt, 3x more potassium than bananas, 4x more calcium than milk, 4x more vitamin A than carrots, 7x more vitamin C than oranges. Moringa is also a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This makes it a great choice for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone who wants to add more plant-based protein to their diet. Full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Moringa isn't just about vitamins and minerals, it's also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory plant compounds like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and isothiocyanates. These natural compounds help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation in the body, support overall health and longevity. By adding moringa to your diet, you're giving your body a powerful boost of nutrition that helps you feel your best every day. Science-backed health benefits of moringa. Moringa's rich nutrient content provides many powerful health benefits. Scientists have studied this superfood, and research suggests that it can support overall well-being in several ways. Here's what experts have found. May help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Early research suggests that moringa may help support balanced blood sugar levels. Most studies so far have been done on animals, showing that certain compounds in moringa leaves may help the pancreas produce insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. One study on postmenopausal women found that taking 1.5 teaspoons of moringa powder daily for 3 months lowered their fasting blood sugar levels by 13.5%. This suggests that moringa may be helpful for managing blood sugar, especially during midlife when the body goes through hormonal changes. Promotes heart health. Moringa powder may help support heart health due to its rich content of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in moringa can reduce oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the development of heart disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa may also help to lower inflammation in the body, a common contributor to cardiovascular problems. Moringa has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels, especially LDL, bad cholesterol, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, it may help to lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow through the body. Together, these effects can help keep the heart and blood vessels healthy, potentially reducing the risk of conditions like stroke and heart attacks. Incorporating moringa powder into your diet may therefore be a simple yet powerful way to support your heart health and reduce the risks associated with cardiovascular disease. Supports brain health and cognitive function. Moringa is rich in powerful antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in cognitive decline. Research suggests that these nutrients may support memory, learning, and overall brain function, potentially reducing the risk of age-related conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's. Additionally, moringa may play a role in balancing neurotransmitters, which are essential for mood regulation. Some animal studies suggest that moringa leaf extract could have antidepressant-like effects, making it a potential natural aid for mental well-being. By supporting both cognitive health and emotional balance, moringa could be a valuable addition to a brain-boosting diet. Boost physical performance. Moringa may help boost energy levels, endurance, and muscle recovery, making it a great addition to an active lifestyle. Rich in iron and protein, moringa supports oxygen circulation and muscle repair, which are essential for physical performance. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue after exercise. Additionally, moringa contains essential amino acids, which aid in muscle growth and recovery, making it especially beneficial for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to stay active. By providing a natural source of energy and nutrients, moringa can help improve stamina, strength, and overall physical well-being. Supports healthy skin and hair. Moringa is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help keep your skin glowing and hair strong. Its nutrients help protect against damage, support collagen production for youthful skin, and provide deep nourishment to hair follicles. Moringa oil, made from its seeds, is often used in natural skincare because of its hydrating and anti-aging properties. It helps moisturize the skin, reduce dryness, and keep hair soft and healthy. Adding moringa to your routine can be a great way to naturally enhance your beauty from the inside out. Moringa and liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in processing nutrients and keeping the body healthy. Studies on animals have shown that moringa, rich in protective antioxidants called polyphenols, may help shield the liver from damage and support its natural healing process. Recent research on humans also suggests that moringa may have potential in fighting liver cancer, though more studies are needed to confirm its full effects. With its powerful nutrients and antioxidants, moringa could be a natural way to support liver health. How to choose the best moringa supplement. With so many moringa supplements available, picking a high-quality one can be challenging. To get the best product, choose organic and non-GMO options to avoid harmful chemicals and pesticides. Look for certifications to ensure purity. Make sure the supplement contains 100% pure moringa leaf powder, with no fillers or artificial ingredients. The best moringa is shade-dried at low temperatures, which helps preserve its nutrients. Avoid products processed with high heat, as this can reduce effectiveness. Freshness matters too. Check the packaging and expiration date to make sure you're getting a potent product. Go for airtight, opaque containers that protect the powder from light and moisture. It's also important to buy from a trusted brand that shares details about sourcing, processing, and quality control. Reading customer reviews can help you spot any concerns. Finally, consider the price and value. A good quality moringa supplement doesn't have to be expensive. Look for at least 100 grams of pure organic powder priced between $15 and $30 for the best balance of quality and affordability. How to use moringa powder daily. Now that you know how to choose high-quality moringa, let's look at some easy ways to add it to your daily routine. How much to take? The right amount of moringa depends on your weight and health goals. A good starting dose is 1-2 teaspoons, 2-4 grams, per day, with the option to increase up to 1-2 tablespoons, 10-20 grams, over time. For best results, take it consistently for at least 4-6 weeks. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have a health condition, talk to your doctor before using moringa. Easy ways to take moringa. In drinks, blend moringa into smoothies, juices, tea, or coffee for an easy nutrient boost. It pairs well with tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, and coconut. In food, mix moringa into soups, sauces, curries, or dips for extra nutrition. You can also bake it into muffins, pancakes, or energy bars for a colorful, healthy treat. Capsules. If you prefer a quick option, moringa capsules are a convenient way to take it daily. Follow the dosage instructions on the label. Final tips. Moringa is a powerful superfood that supports energy, immunity, digestion, and overall well-being. Choose organic, pure moringa leaf powder for the best benefits, and be consistent with your intake. Most people start noticing improvements within 2-4 weeks. Ready to get started? Find your perfect dose and begin your journey to better health today. The latest research on moringa. Recent studies continue to highlight the powerful health benefits of moringa. Research shows that its rich mix of antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds may help support heart health, blood sugar balance, brain function, and immune strength. Studies suggest that moringa may lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and even help manage blood sugar levels. Some research also indicates potential benefits for cognitive health, with compounds in moringa showing promise in protecting the brain from age-related decline. As interest in natural remedies grows, Scientists are continuing to explore how moringa can be used to support overall wellness. With more research emerging, this superfood is proving to be more than just a trend. It's a science-backed powerhouse for health. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth and happiness.